So we're prepping for tomorrow's fundraiser for Slow Food in the Tetons, which is, it's actually an international organization. The one in the Tetons is one of the most successful in the United States. The mission is local sustainable food. So they support farmers, they have markets, they do everything they can to create a local sustainable food system.
Locally sourced is easy, locally produced is tough. So it's been a little bit of a learning curve, but I think having all the good quality produce and meat, I think it makes it easy.
Gator is frying up
Pumpkin blossoms.
Stuff
with goat cheese.
From the kids' pumpkin patch. Not squash blossoms.
Early this morning, right off this row, pumpkins. And then our goat cheese is also local from Lark Farms. Well, we figured we'd do it right where they came from.
Not squash, pumpkin.
Pumpkin blossoms.
We had to really, we had to sell our souls for that to get those pumpkins.
Yeah, stuffed with goat cheese. And appetizer is a lamb, local lamb that we are braising. And it's
it'll be like a sweet, spicy marinade on the braised lamb, and then we'll top it with a little fresh basil and mint.
Love it. Then entree is we're smoking 2 pigs. One is a mangalitsa. The other is a Idaho sort of mixed breeder.
AKA Corey's backyard.
Corey's backyard pig. The other one came from Lark Meadow Farm. Then we have 2 salads. A Caesar salad featuring, I'd say the little gems that we're making out of are just peak.
The coolest thing we're making today.
Yes, I love
That trout minnow anchovy is. Corey blew my mind with that.
And then another salad that is, we got roasted
A roasted beet and turnip salad with red Mizuna greens and goat cheese. And we'll probably have some fresh mint on there too.
This.
West Gator.
All righty. I really got into local produce. It's been 20 years ago. My wife and I moved to California for 3 years, and they had food there that, having lived in Wyoming 10 years before that, I had no reference for. I had experiences in COVID that also made me feel like it was important that we have food locally in case things get weird. Being able to feed ourselves in a pinch, I think, is something that really we should consider. So there's plenty still to do. Enjoy your food. It was all grown here. Thanks for coming.
This was a super cool experience for me because I'm usually not so restricted. But it ended up being a really fun experience, and I can't wait to come back and do it every year. I'd like to thank you everybody so much for being here, and thanks for having me.
Thank you.